Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Beach Amusement Park set from Lego Friends. I'm loving the look of this. We get lots of mechanical things to build to, make that thing spin around the ride. 4 mini dolls. I love the look of deer there. And we get a wave park. Now it is expensive at $170 in Australia. I found it on eBay for $83, but this is the state of the box that I received. Hopefully all the stuff's inside. Now I've had this set for quite some time, so I'm super excited to be building this and showing it off to you all. There's quite a lot of parts in this, 1,348 pieces in 10 numbered bags. Yep, let's go with 10. What else have we got? Come on, I need to open up this instruction booklet. So once again, shred this pocket sleeve thing open. And let's take a peek inside. Oh, the stickers are there. And here they are. Ooh, we get Nova there on a surfboard. We get this shark and some crossbones. Quite a large instruction booklet. It is quite heavy. And it just shows you the mechanics of the set there. Nice and detailed as always with Friends sets. And there was no map. Here's the other sets that you can buy, which are awesome, and 454 steps all up, so there's quite a bit involved. There's the set. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to go and take a ride on that seahorse. Alrighty, let's build. Let's take a look at Zach, and I love that shark he has on his top there, and he's got some teal sleeves poking out of the yellow top. Now in this set, he gets another head, and check out his face. He looks completely freaked out. He is on his phone. He's going to try out this surfboard. I'm going to pop him over here, and yes, Zach, I would be freaked out seeing my other head there too. Now we've got Nova. I love her little shorts here, her thongs, the gamer's top. There's her original face. She gets another face too, except this is the ha ha ha, I'm laughing, I'm gonna do something crazy face, because they have given her a huge wrench. Now I don't know what she has a huge wrench for. Maybe she will be fixing the ride, or she's going to be chasing Zach with it. Time to look at Charlie. Loving his silvery thongs there and his singlet. Love the little palm trees on there. Really cool. Love his hairdo, his face. He's cool. I'm glad he's not wearing a uniform for once. He's out having fun. And Dia, I love her top. I would so wear her top. It's got the little belt on there. She's got freckles on her face. The back of the printing is excellent also. And I love her Farrah Fawcett hairdo. Oh, she's one really nice mini doll. Beginning the build with the Wave Rider Simulator, whatever you want to call it. Now this set has lots and lots of Technic parts used in it. It is one of the most involved Technic Friends set that they have brought out, which is really good. Like I really enjoyed building this. It's like a sense of accomplishment when you put it all together and it all works and you don't have to rip things apart. So make sure you check on your instructions where to put everything properly so you get it to work from the start and not rip things apart. So that's the wavy bit. So I've done that correctly. That's good. We'll continue building here, and we've got some stickered waves going on. And I did speak too soon. I did miss a little part here, so I just popped a tile in the wrong spot. So that's what it's meant to look like. But it all works fine. Love the little palm tree there. And Zach's gonna come on, and he shouldn't have his phone while he's in the water. We're gonna test this out. And it looks like it works pretty good. Yeah, it does. Actually, I think I better give him a break. He doesn't look very happy. Bag number 2 is full of Technic pieces. So make sure you check where all the little cog parts go and all the pins and everything, and that everything is placed around the right way and in the correct spot. That's just my little bit of advice for this section, and I've been testing it the whole way through so I don't have to rip things apart. And see what I mean? I think I've put this in the wrong spot. I just need to check the instructions. What have I done? Yes, it needs to be round this way. Oh, I spoke too soon again. I need to concentrate a bit more. I'm just too excited with this build. Okay, that's correct, and I shall keep going with this. I think I'm almost done this part. Yeah, oh hang on, something's gone flying, the T-piece there. Oh, I can't wait for this section to be done. Hang on, it's turning, everything's working, and every time I think I've finished, I'm adding more and more parts. More Technic pieces, and I just keep adding and adding. So this is from bag 2, so that goes over here. I'll just check it's winding around. If that gets held down, it works. Oh, because you got to put this part in to hold it all together. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Have I finished with the Technic bits? I hope I have. Surprise! More Technic pins and bits and bobs going on. Oh, gotta make sure that's in the right spot, and it is. We'll connect this part together. Oh wow, it works, it's powering the wave. Now I like what the designers have done in this section. So this is like the guts of the set, I guess, the mechanical side. And what it is, it's going to be like a tank. So there's going to be a fish tank here, and you'll get to see all the bits spinning around. So Mr. Shark's there and a puffer blower fish, and you can walk past and see how all the things work inside. So that's really clever. I like that design for this section. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Now we're going to have a boardwalk and a little area where you can buy overpriced hot dogs and drink at Fun Bay. So this place is called Fun Bay, and I like that tiki bar section with the palm trees there. That looks cool. And there's a big sticker there. So that's Nova on the... What's Charlie doing? He wants to have a go already. No, I'm showing you all these bits that I really like. Alrighty, so I thought I was done with all the Technic pieces, but look at them all. They just keep coming and coming. So this part here that I'm working on will be the arcade section. So it's like a game where you squirt the squids, and it's like a shooting ducks game, I guess, but with squids instead. Now this part also you got to get right because it's going to move the squids from side to side. So here's Mr. Squid or Octopus, and once again I've done something wrong. What have I done? I need to check these instructions. Something hasn't gone on properly. Oh, this bit. Hang on. Let me pull it all apart and do it. Okay, this is how it's meant to go. So then Mr. Squid can go from side to side. He can do the crab dance. Yeah, and I'm going to pop him on here. There we go. Okay, that was easily fixed. Continuing on the arcade section, so more Technic parts going in on the back and just finishing touches here on the sides. So I've got them on. Let's turn it around because I'm going to make a big octopus squid. So this is like a pirate guy. He's had one of his eyes poked out, the poor thing. I love him, he's so cute. And here's the pirate boat that's going on the back. See how it's bobbing up and down, moving on the waves there? This set is so clever with the amount of moving parts. We've got some toys here at the arcade to win. Let's connect it over here and see if it all works. And it does! Yes, I don't have to rip anything apart. Need a safety boom gate here so no one climbs up without paying to go on the ride. I love how they've included a boardwalk here right on top of the sand. I love this set. I would love to visit Fun Bay and have some fun and play on the arcade. And here's the squirty gun for the arcade there. And we've got recycling bin and a burnt sausage. Someone didn't do a good job cooking it. Got the little camera for the wave rider and some very overpriced drinks here. Oh, almost done. I love all the scenery that's included in this set also, like the underwater theme they have done, like with all the seaweed bits there and corals. Now this is the turtle ride. I love this turtle, it is so cute. Its flippers look really good. Now they've done a good job with the design here. And this is a 2-seater ride. So maybe Zach needs to go on the turtle with Nova if he's really scared. Off you go! I'm building the dolphin ride now. Love the colour of it. Love its little flipper there. This is so cute. There's its little flipper tail. I'm not good at making dolphin noises. Anyway, now we've got the yellow seahorse. Now I'm glad they've done it yellow because it really stands out against the rest of the other rides and stuff around it. And look at this. Look at its head and oh, he's embarrassed, I think. He pooped out the Technic pin there. Let's attach it. Now you got to have it the correct way as per the instructions. I'm just going to put it on here. We're almost done. His tail needs to be curled underneath like a real seahorse. So I'm going to stick Zach there on the dolphin. Nova's going to go on the turtle. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I absolutely love this set. I think my cat's gonna eat a hot dog there, and I'm gonna try out the Wave Rider. Let's see if it all works, and it does. So everything works at the same time. So the arcade, the ride, and the Wave Rider. Great set. The Lego Friends Beach Amusement Park set. I can't believe I've had this in the box for so long and I haven't built it. I love this set. I love that you can see the mechanics on the inside in that fish tank. The Wave Rider's awesome. That amusement section where the octopus slide is great. The ride with the animals from under the water, under the sea theme. Brilliant. This is such a great set and I highly recommend it. So everyone, get your bricks out.